This is our week 7 update. The tomato plant has bushed out all around. There's flowers coming out on all sides, as well as all the way at the top. And we officially have tomatoes growing. Now they're still green, but this is quite incredible to have tomatoes growing after just 7 weeks that we planted the seed in this indoor growing system. So we're hoping that next week we might have our first tomatoes to harvest. This is week 8 update of the indoor growing system. The tomato plant has expanded quite a bit. It's full of flowers. It's got tomatoes growing. And we're waiting to get our first tomatoes, hopefully soon. So far, this has been working really well. And we're curious to see when we'll get our first ripe tomatoes. This is our week 10 update. And it's official. We now have tomatoes in the middle of winter, indoors, in 10 weeks. That's pretty incredible. We're very surprised by these results and by how prolific this tomato plant is growing indoors in this hydroponic system. This variety is a dwarf, so it's supposed to be only about 12 inches tall, but it definitely far exceeded our expectations and grew taller than it ever has, growing in the ground outside in the sun. So this is impressive. There's flowers everywhere. It's continuing to bloom. There's more tomatoes growing as well. And the first tomatoes should be ready for consumption. So these are our results at week 10.